Two for the player, 8 for the banker, and banker wins with neutral 8 over 2. Congratulations to everyone. Do you like 2 for the player, 5 for the banker, extra card for the new player 1 for the player, 5 for the banker, extra card for the 3 for the player, 2 for the banker. We have double draw and player wins with 7 over 2. Congratulations to every winner specialty PK. Baccarat for the player, 6 for the banker, extra card for the A90, SAI, 9 for the player, 9 for the banker, and the game. I think it's called 7 for the player, 6 for the banker, and player wins with 7 over 6. Congratulations to every winner. WH. 3 for the player, Baccarat for the banker. We have double draw and player wins with 9 over. Baccarat for the player, 5 for the banker, extra card for the player. I was so hard trying. 6 for the player, 2 for the banker, extra card for the banker, and player wins with 6 over 1. Congratulations to every winner. 6 for the player, 2 for the banker, extra card for the banker, and player wins with 6 over 3. Congratulations. 8 for the player, 6 for the banker, and 3 for the player, 6 for the banker. We have double draw and banker wins with 9 over Baccarat. Congratulations to every winner specialty. Baccarat for the player, 8 for the banker, and bank 8, 5. Number 5 for the player, 9 for the banker, 8, 5. 3 for the player, 8 for the banker, F and F. You know me more than myself. 3 for the player, 6 for the banker, extra card for the player, and banker wins with 6 over 3. Congratulations. I'll tell you after this. 5 for the player, Baccarat for the banker. We have double draw and banker wins with 5 over 3. Congratulations to every winner. Are you gonna be 7 for the player, 5 for the banker, and player WKFMF. 9 for the player, 9 for the banker in the game, and Baccarat for the player, 3 for the banker. We have double draw and banker F. For another 8 for the player, 9 for the banker, and banker. 3 for the player, 8 for the banker, and banker wins with neutral 8 over 3. Congratulations to every series that you do. 9 for the player, 6 for the banker. 3 for the player, 6 for the banker. We have double draw and banker wins with 8. I will repeat again so you remember. Tomorrow. 4 for the player, 6 for the banker. We have a banker pair. Extra card for the player, and banker wins with 6 over 4. Congratulations.
双手牌，先赢6比3，恭喜！闲了庄5先不牌，庄赢特价。先4庄3先不牌，庄赢。闲8庄0闲赢贴牌8比1，恭喜！这局的庄。闲3庄2投10个，闲赢4，闲赢庄0投10个牌，庄赢6不还价。闲2庄6先不牌，庄不牌，9点。闲8庄7闲赢贴牌8比7，恭喜输。闲4庄1投10个牌，15个3个加。闲3庄8庄赢贴牌8比3，恭喜加。闲0庄3先不牌，庄不牌，庄赢4成功。闲2庄4先不牌，加。闲3庄7先不牌。闲0庄5先不牌，小5庄10先不牌，闲赢5。
Is 9 over Baccarat. Compliments, place your 6 for player, 2 for banker, extra card for banker. Player wins 6 over 2. Well done, player. Place your notebooks, please. 6 for player, 3 for banker, extra card for bank. Player wins 6 over 3. Congratulations, the count is at this betting time. Place your 7 for player, 3 for bank, extra card for banker. Player wins 7 over 3. Congratulations for the winning odds, please. 4 for player, 3 for banker, extra card for player, and extra card for banker. Player wins 6 over 3. Conference betting time is yours. Baccarat for player, 6 for banker, extra card for player. Banker wins 6 over 3. Congratulations for the winning. Let's open now. 1 for player, 7 for banker, extra card for player. Player place your notebooks, please. 8 for player, 5 for banker. Player naturally inside over 5. Congratulations. Place your Baccarat for player and a pair of times 7 for banker, extra card for player. Banker wins 7 over banker. Congratulations. It is 2 for player, 5 for banker, extra card for player, extra card for banker. Banker wins 9 over 6. Congratulations to the winners. Let's 4 for player, 7 for the bank, extra card for player, banker wins 7. 9 for player, Baccarat for the bank. Player wins with natural 9, compliments. 7 for player, 2 for the bank, extra card for the bank. Player wins 7 over 1. Compliments still. 9 for player, 3 for the bank. Player wins with natural 9, 3 for player, 3 for the bank, extra card for player, extra card for the bank. Banker wins 6 over 3, compliments you all the way. Baccarat for player, 6 for the bank, extra card for player, banker wins 6 over Baccarat. Compliments you all. 2 for player, 5 for the bank, extra card for player, banker wins 5 over 2. Compliments you all the way. 3 for player, 3 for the bank, extra card for player, extra card for the bank, banker wins. 7 for player, 6 for the bank, player wins. 7 back times up. 5 for player, 8 for the bank. Banker wins with natural 8. Compliments. 9 for player, 3. 8 for player, 3 for the bank, player wins with natural 8. Winners back times up. Baccarat for player, 8 for the bank, banker wins with natural 8. 4 for player, 5 for the bank, extra card for player, extra card for the bank. 5 for player, 1 for the bank, double draw. Times up. 3 for player, 9 for the Baccarat for player, 1 for the bank, double draw. Banker win. 7 for player, 1 for the bank, extra card for the bank, banker wins 8 over 7. Compliments to all the winners. 1 for player, 3 for the bank, extra card for player, extra card for the bank. Banker wins 9. Baccarat for player, Baccarat for the bank, double draw. Banker wins 4 over Baccarat. Compliment.